Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this, you have a business but you don't have a good online presence or a website. And also you are tight in budget to hire a professional. So in this video, let's see how to make a good online presence by yourself and also a website without paying for someone. So here's what I do for my clients. I'll explain it for free. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this, you must have a website and a payment provider like Stripe, and also you should have a custom email, let's say sales at yourbusinessname.com, like that, and also a email platform like Klaviyo, and you should have appointment scheduling too. So for that you can just use the Google Calendar. So let's break down those steps further. First of all, you must have a website. You might be thinking it's so hard to make websites. That's kind of true, but if you're tight in budget, I guess it's worth the hassle. If you don't know anything about website creation and stuff, you can just go with carrd.com, carrd.com, and it has a very basic package. It's affordable too, as you are tight in budget. But if you need a complex website, you should go for a WordPress website. So I'm not going to teach you the whole steps of creating the website. There are better teachers than me in the YouTube. You can simply search like how to create a website with carrd.com or how to create a website with wordpress.com. So it's simple as that. So then the customer or the client comes to the website and they want to schedule a meeting with. For that, you should have an appointment scheduling system. For that, you can simply use the Google Calendar option. In their latest version, they have the appointment scheduling system. Before that, we have to use Calendly for that, and it was like $12 per month, and we can completely replace that with Google Calendar. And let's say the client doesn't schedule the meeting and you have to do email marketing. For that, you should have a professional email. I recommend you go for a Google Workspace Gmail, because there are many options which is integrated with the Google Calendar and the Google Professional Email. So if you are tight in budget, you can just go for the free Google Calendar and use an separate email from an email provider like Zoho, Zoho. So it's completely free. You can simply use that. But whenever you are not tight in budget, just go for the Google Workspace, because both the email and the Google Calendar work smoothly. And after that, it comes to the payments. So for the payments, you should use Stripe, because it's easy for us to get payments from the clients, and also we can make recurring payments too, and the clients can just pay with their cards as well. So for the email platforms, you should use like Klaviyo or Woodpecker, or there are many other platforms as well, but the Klaviyo is recommended. So that email marketing part is a whole different subject, and if you need a video about that, just let me know. I'll make a video about that too. And also, like I said, our company offers all these services for a fair budget. So if you need any help, you can just book an appointment with us. Then let's get into the main part, how to get clients. So in 2025, and with this modern technology, it's so easy to get clients. There are basically two ways. One is the organic marketing method and the other one is the paid marketing method. But if you are just starting out, I recommend the first method, which is organic marketing method. Organic marketing is completely free. You just need to create content. Our company do that as well behalf of our clients. So I'll break down how we do it. First, you should have these accounts, Instagram account and a FB account. Both are kind of linked, and a YouTube account, and the main thing is a TikTok account. And also, let's say you are in jewelry business and some sort of female based business, then you should go for the Pinterest account too. So all you need to do is make simple shorts. I know you are busy and you should make a simple short. Short means a vertical sized video. You probably know it, but I'll simply explain. A vertical sized video about a minute, and you can post that short in every platform. And there's a quick tip too: if you are too busy to edit, you can simply edit the video in TikTok and just use snaptik.com, snaptik.com. Download that TikTok without the watermark and simply post in Instagram and Facebook. But for the YouTube, don't post that because it gives copyright issues. So that's it guys. I hope you got a value from this video. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you need any help from us, just go to shimadigital.com. Just send us a message and let's hop in a free call. So thank you for watching guys. See you again in the next video.